Hello guys, welcome to my channel SwathiPharmaJnan. Today's topic is mechanism of action of penicillins. Penicillin structures and its uses along with side effects and toxicity are there in my previous video. We'll see the mechanism of action in detail. Penicillins interferes with the synthesis of bacterial cell wall. There is a cell wall in the bacteria which is for the protection of bacteria. Cell wall is composed of peptidoglycan layer. This peptidoglycan layer consists of two amino sugars. The two amino sugars are N-acetylmuramic acid, N-acetylglucosamine. N-acetylmuramic acid is considered as NaCm. N-acetylglucosamine is considered as NaCG. Peptidoglycan residues are linked together forming long strands and UDP is split off. This peptidoglycan residues will link together and they will form as a long strands. Then the cleavage of terminal D-alanine of the peptide occurs by transpeptidase enzyme. There is one enzyme which is transpeptidase enzyme. This transpeptidase enzyme will cleave the terminal D-alanine of the peptide and this process is called as transpeptidation. The cross bridging provides necessary strength to bacterial cell wall. When this cross bridging of peptidoglycan residues occurs, it will give necessary strength to the bacterial cell wall to avoid loss of ions. Beta lactam antibiotics inhibit the transpeptidase enzyme so that cross linking does not takes place. This beta lactam antibiotics, what they will do is they will inhibit this transpeptidase enzyme. When transpeptidase enzyme is inhibited, transpeptidation process will not takes place. That's why cross linking of peptide residues will not occur, so that peptidoglycan layer, which is a strong layer for the bacterial cell wall, will not occur. This leads to formation of cell wall deficient in bacteria and it will also cause shrinkage of the bacterial cell. Why it will cause shrinkage of the bacterial cell? Because when the cell wall is not strong, the influx of ions and outflux of ions will get disturbed. That's why the ions will get loose. Loss of ions takes place that leads to shrinkage of bacterial cell. This penicillins, that is how penicillins will show bactericidal action. So here you can see this is the cytoplasm and cytoplasmic membrane. The beta lactam antibiotics will inhibit this enzyme which is transpeptidase enzyme. You can see here the cross linking bridge of peptidoglycan residues. Na-arm is N-acetylmuramic acid, Nag is N-acetylglucosamine. These two amino sugars will link together to form peptide linkage. This is a transpeptidase enzyme which is required for the transpeptidation process. If beta lactam antibiotics attacks this enzyme, the transpeptidation process will not take place, so that the bridges will not form in the bacterial cell wall by peptidoglycan residues. That is how the beta lactam antibiotics will kill the bacteria. This is a simple mechanism of action of penicillins. You can draw the diagram when you are writing the mechanism of action. We'll see the degradation of penicillins in my next video. Thank you.